Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of Claude AI, the AI agent or the AI chat that we have in this case from Anthropic. If you use Claude daily, you know it's a powerful, but are you using it to its full potential? In this video, I'm gonna show you 8 incredible hacks and hidden features that will completely change how you interact with AI. From humanizing text to advanced decisions making framework. These tips will make your workflow faster and more efficient. So let's get started. First, we have the hack number 1, the human command. First off, it's a game changer for writer. This is the /human command. Artificial intelligence often has a robotic fingerprint, a predictable sentence structures, and a generic vocabulary. By placing the /human at the beginning of your prompt, you are instructing Claude to adopt a more natural, fluid, and conversational tone. This is perfect for academic essays, blog posts, or professional reports where you need the reader to feel a human touch. For instance, notice how it's explained the Cold War. It's not just listing facts, it's weaving a narrative. So next, we have the hack number 2, mastering artifacts. So let's talk about the artifacts. The artifacts is the most Claude visual features because we can add some dashboards and some visual items. By adding the word artifacts in capital letters at the end of your prompt, especially for data heavy requests like sales reports or project timelines, Claude generates a dedicated side window view. This window provides a clean, professional layout that separates from the chat. Whether it's a dashboard for a food company or maybe it will be a complex chart. Artifacts makes information digestible and ready for the presentation of all of the information that you wanted to present in this case. As you can see, we have this example for the food company. And as you can see, we have a useful hack in this case. So let's get to the hack number 3, the Extend Think Power app. If you need Claude to go into overdrive, use the Extend Think. This hack is especially designed for complex tasks like coding or deep research. It tells the model to allocate more cognitive resource to the problem, encouraging it to verify its logic and explore multiple layers of depth. With this, when we are generating Python code for a sales system, for example, Extend Things ensures the code is not just functional, but optimized, well commented, and also robust. As you can see in this case, we use the Extend Thing to create a Python code for a sales program, sales project. So in this case, the Python it's generated by Claude using the Extend Thing. It's obviously using more tokens of Claude, but also is more precision to the task that we want to use. Hack number 4, the ghost strategy. Similar to the human hack, but with a twist. We have the /ghost command. This is essential for those concerned about AI detection. The /ghost command helps Claude produce text that bypasses common AI detectors by varying persistence and perplexity, the two main metrics detectors use. It's an invaluable tool for copywriters and students who need their work to remain unique and authentically styled. The hack number 5, the OODA loop. Strategic thinkers, this is one for you. By using the OODA command, it's observe, orient, decide, and act. You're applying a military-grade decision, making framework to your prompts. Claude will stop giving generic advice and starting providing a structured analysis. It helps you break down complex problems by observing the context, orienting yourself among variables, making a calculated decision, and outlining clear actions steps. And well, let's get into the hack number 6, enable the memory mode. So let's move into the settings. Memory mode is a feature that allows Claude to learn about you over time. By going to settings, capabilities, and memory, you enable Claude to remember context from past conversations. This means you don't have to repeat your project details or your brand voice every time you start a new chat. It creates a personalized assistant to grow with you. As you can see, we have already activated the memory right now. And as you can see, we have also the option to import the memory to another AI assistants like ChatGPT or another one. So let's get into the hack number 7. So it's the custom skills. Did you know that you can build your own skills within Claude? Under the Personalized tab, you can create or upload specific skills. These are like mini programs or sets of instructions that define exactly how Claude should handle certain tasks. It's the ultimate way to customize the tool to fit your specific industry or personal workflow. And finally, we have the last hack. In this case, is the kill critic. Sometimes AI is too polite and gives you the fluff instead of a honest feedback. By starting with a kill critic, you tell Claude to be brutally honest and direct. This is perfect for when you need a real critic of your work or a no-nonsense answer to a difficult question. No more pleasantries, just the facts. And that's it. 8 hacks to make your Claude a power user. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments.